angihambi ngedwana la ku-Bidtown Breakfast nakho komhadi elayinini sitawukhuluma nge-full moon. Thokoza gogo, kunjani?
Thokoza Khehla, kuyaphila njani?
Siphilile thina la kusasa T31 ke la kubungathwa ke i-full moon lesinayo. Asivami ukukhuluma ngako leti into leti etikolweni leti. Asivami ukukhuluma ngato thina la bagcina sebasinika ama homework la. Ngidawukhuluma beve bothisha utholise le homework bawucala kwathi ngathi kuthi yini full moon la mhlambe ngathi abayadi. So sikhuluma kani mase sikhuluma nganayo full moon nayo lesebukana nayo ke la kusasa.
Alright, ngicela ukuxola iqala ne inkanyezi akuqali kahle.
Okay.
Ngamalwimi ethu aphilayo ne. So faka isingisi kakhulu namhlanje, so ngicela ningixolele namhlanje. Kodwa mesingena kulolu daba lwe-full moon. So ngamalwimi wethu sithi inyanga iyathwasa. So mophumela ngaphandle, mobheka ebusuku uyabona ukuthi hayi man ngathi kuyakhanya, you know, akukho mnyama kakhulu. Mongaphumela ngaphandle ene kusasa izoba yiyo i-full moon seyiphelele. And I think Khehla mesiqala le nkulumo yethu ubuzile wathi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi kube nama-full moon ayi-2 enyangeni e-1. Yebo, and then ngathi yebo kule Gregorian calendar we're gonna be experiencing 2 full moons, you know. Ngakhuluma ngama-cycle wabomama because ama-wombs wethu as abomama they're highly connected to inyanga. Alright, and you get some other scholars when Khehla bathi bona ekuqaleni abantu abalaphayo bokubantu abantu abomama kahle kahle. So abanye bathi bona to this day bahamba inyanga zomuntu omama ngoba yibo abakwazi ukuba ne-connection kahle kahle from the place of creation, the womb creation. Angazi sike sakhuluma ngayo, I think we did mesikhuluma ngale date yethu. We're gonna focus on the sacral chakra as well because that is the place la i-creation or manifestation yethu senza khona, right? So we know ukuthi naleyo sacral chakra, that orange color, sikhuluma ngekhala leyo orange, sikhuluma about the fire in it, but specifically for le full moon when Khehla ngesingisi bathi it happens once in a blue moon. That is why mhlambe mongabona kuma social media bathi le full moon lena is a blue moon. So kusho ukuthini mekunjalo? So it's not a super moon. Super moon are those moons leza zinkulu and they seem very close to the planet. This one when Khehla it's furthest, like mobhekile, like it is a full moon mara ayikho duze ne-planet yethu nomkhubulwane, what we call nomkhubulwane, but sithi thina ngamalumi wethu ukuthi umhlaba, but kahle kahle the planet itself nomkhubulwane, everything that is contained kule planet le, the earth planet yona nomkhubulwane. So the full moon when Khehla it's gonna happen in the house of Sagittarius, right? So mesikhuluma with the season, mesi introduce i-season sithi singena unyanga entsha, inyanga ka-Sekhmet Bas Khehla. We said the house that we are gonna be in is the house of Sagittarius, right? And the northern hemisphere yona iku-Gemini. Kodwa sizokhuluma about these 2 zodiac houses. So Gemini is governed by Mercury. And Mercury is the planet that has to do nezinto zenkulumo, communication in different formats. Amagama asiwakhulumayo, asiwabhalayo, imicabango yethu, because that is the realm yakaJehuti in the house of Mercury. Then mesikhuluma ngo-Sagittarius when Khehla, that governing planet uJupiter. Alright. So i-planet kaJupiter when Khehla, lelo planet, it speaks to abundance, expansion, ufuna ukukhula kuphi kahle kahle. Alright, and with the full moon, yona lena Khehla. So usually ama full moon, ilapho silahla izinto khona, we're releasing whatever no longer serves us. So ngithe mesiqala, it was the new moon the Sunday before that. Ngathi, when it's the new moon, we set new intentions. When it's the full moon, siyareleasa. Kodwa lena wena Khehla, it's a very special moon. La at the same time, siyareleasa, kodwa siya-expanda. So ama-rituals la siwayenza wena Khehla lami, uzohlala still in that shadow work. We're gonna do internal work. We're gonna work in the realm, the cosmic realm. You know, we're gonna work with the intangible, the unseen. Because also remember, we have one planet that is in retrograde. So in retrograde, if let's say I'm a planet ahamba counterclockwise, which is the right way of rotation. So when it's a retrograde, lelo planet lizohamba clockwise, but it moves in the opposite direction. And with Pluto, you're another planet got Pluto in Akesha. That planet, njalo, when it's in retrograde, iti utina, melo ufocus within. Right? So whatever it is, the chaos that is happening outside of you, you are releasing that chaos when now you are focusing within, which is in alignment nale calendar yethu wena Khehla, because mesisuka kule season ka-An singena kule season ka-Sekhmet. Ngakhuluma ngathi now we're gonna be in the realm of the mind, right? In the mental faculties. We're working in the cosmic realm. We're working and manifesting in the realms zemicabango, izinto ezingekho tangible kahle Khehla. So at the same full moon nizorelease, sikhulume ngomlilo last week, so whatever rituals that you'll be participating in, make sure ukuthi umlilo ukhona, because sizorelease and being in alignment nalo moya or present, le energy present, le energy ka-Sekhmet bast. So if you are a scripting person during full moon, to use the magic of writing, because amagama, ama-spells, that is why the English language, low vibrating as it is, but nayo, it's got hidden messages, whereas thina inkulumo zethu kuyacaca mesikhuluma or mesipha into igama kuyacaca ukuthi kuthiwani. So the English language yona encode izinto. So whenever we were saying when we're spelling, right, the customer spell, doing magic work, we're doing ritual work, senza iheka, what we call in our space, the content that we do, heka, which is great magic or divine magic. So kule season lena, if you're a chakra hand, or even if you're not a chakra hand, chakra date, nizo recharge nama crystals wenu, you're gonna make moon water as well, because remember, isibhakabhaka is also, as much as it's in the air realm, but it is also another form of water, right? And siyazi ukuthi nenyanga also controls the tides. That is why it's also linked to the womb. Siyazi ukuthi angithi nempilo ngaphakathi kumuntu omama, the child resides in water. That is the first place. And globally, or across the diaspora, but across the African creation stories, yonke impilo iqala emanzini. So that is why ka full moon wena Khehla, as much as we are releasing, but it is a perfect time yokwenza nama manifestation. And this one is very important. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi with the governing planet of Jupiter, you're gonna be asking yourself ukuthi ufuna ukukhula kuphi? Where am I expanding? Where am I finding abundance, right? So whether it's going to be in a material sense, in a spiritual sense, but you're going to revisit the stuff that you had abandoned, maybe the dreams you had abandoned, or uyabona ukuthi yazini lana I'm playing small, man. While you doubt kulento lena, you're gonna address those things. Wherever you are playing small, you're gonna be expanding it ngale full moon lena. So you're gonna make your moon waters, you're gonna put your crystals outside, your tools, especially yabona thina nabo antigang angithi stoka these metallic ants or whatever ants, but whatever tools that you are wearing, nazo go recharge them outside. In Kulme, I think in the season of Antu, Ngiti, that was the perfect time ukuthi empower our tools. So whether idondolo zakho, your ants that you wear, lezinto ohlola ngazo, everything, you're gonna recharge it now as well, because as we're gonna empower our tools in that season. So the season now, with the presence of the blue moon, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And also, as well, let's say you don't want to participate kulama ritual wena Khehla, but don't miss the opportunities, because some people are going to experience bona lamo once in a lifetime opportunities. And if given the chance, enjalo, once in a blue moon, it doesn't happen all the time and all of that. Mengiti, I think everybody, let us take advantage of that. And then there's also, I guess if other people have experienced this when but it is also a time, I think Sikulme with the new moon when it was starting, if you're feeling that urge routine, that is this energy le ekhona, where it's calling you organize your stuff, clean your spaces. And then we're gonna do zona lezo zokumo, but you're gonna be cleansing yourself, your physical self as well as your spiritual self, the things that you have outgrown, the people that you have outgrown. Ungaresist, because sometimes when we get so attached to abantu and things that no longer serve us, and then the same year we're in the same position dealing with the same thing, whether it's an ex that you are dealing with, whether you are finding yourself having the same conflict with the same kind of people, those patterns recognize uwe othola i-resistance njalo when umoya uthi hlukana nalezinto lezi or hlukana nalabantu abakanje or hlukana nale ndawo ezikanje, you know. And because it's such a volatile time wena Khehla, siyabona ngithi kwenzakalani la emhlabeni, ama-movement athize, ama-strike athize, but we are expecting this, yabo. Mobheka ikhalenda yethu ngoba singena kwenye season wena Khehla, after le season lena season kaset la kuzobhidlika khona izinto, right? So for this full moon, because everything is heightened and expanding, uzincede and stay away from anything that is vibrating low. So whether it's low vibrating music, whether it's mainstream media, whether social media feels too much for you, unplug from there, because whatever it is that you're going to be focusing on is or expand due to the moon energy experience ayo okwamanje Khehla. So sizovala ama-chapter Khehla, sizo-expecta ama-breakthrough, sizo-expecta divine intelligence as well, you know, because inyanga, like I was saying in the beginning, some healers bona prepare ukuya kuinyanga zomuntu omama because of that what we would call the mother mind, you know, what we call is subconscious, you know, where we start creating from, because everything is thought, everything is in the mind, right? And because Sagittarius is works hand in hand ne Gemini, so Jehuti but are the polar opposites. So you're going to be focusing on that. The communication, what are the words that I'm saying? So you're going to avoid any low vibrating words. You know, if umuntu or a situation, especially social media, you know, yakheha or ikbizela into chaos. Stay away from chaos, because whatever it is you will be embroiled on, whatever frequency where na oz-attacha kuyo iso expanda kule season due to the Jupiter planet, the planet of expansion, the planet of abundance, the planet of ukhula kwezinto, the planet of financial abundance as well. So those are the things that we're going to be doing when I Khehla. Work with your fire element, work with your water element as well. As much as the polar opposites, when you understand i-alchemy isebenza kanjani, transformation isebenza kanjani, and then before when I Khehla ngena kuma questions, bengithi for the chakra has or laba basebenzisa the earth element in healing or resonate with the earth element, your stones, ne? So as much as we're gonna be using the 5 stones, so during this full moon, these 3, so from today and the coming 4 days, we usually focus on 5 days before and 5 days after the full moon. So you wanna get the full moon. So 5 days before that, 5 days after that, whether you're in ritual of now you're writing down the things that you're saying you wanna release, and then already release with fire, Khehla. If you are using for expansion, you're doing expansion rituals, less osbalai. You're gonna put either under the moon or under your moon water. So moon water simply when I take a glass of water, we beg it under the full moon. But you're gonna speak your intentions, because words hold power. And due to the Mercury planet or the house of Jehuti, your communication, you're gonna be doing spell work, whatever it is you're gonna speak into that. Phumela ngaphandle nawe, you know, even if you don't want to do rituals, phumela ngaphandle and moon bathe, what we call moon bathe, or uxoxe nenyanga Khehla. Uxoxe, ask questions, you know, noma ufila ngathi ngiyahlanya lana, but those things are recorded, you know, in the Akashic records as well. Those things are recorded. The mother energy, that's you know, kapa mudimume, or the representation of mudimume, kapa the divine feminine, or what Pedro would say is the mother mind, which is related to your unomkhubulwane, kapa the moon itself.
Asitale so, it's ne new moon, it's ne full moon. Ngicela siyende ibe extra le full moon le. This is ne full moon le specific. So what's the difference between new moon and full moon? Utse gu new moon selanjani?
All right, Khehla. So new moon, Khehla, Jalo, that will speak to new beginnings. So that is a chance. That is inkanyezi or risipagapaga. It's giving you a reset button. So it's a cosmic reset button. Okay, in these coming 29 and a half days or 30 days, Lena is like, what am I intending for my life? You know, that I want to manifest, because we use full moons to manifest. That I want to manifest. So reset la, a new beginning. So it's like a new year every month. You know, whenever it's the new moon. And then physically, Khehla, more pumela ngaphandle on a new moon. awukhanyi kakhulu, it's dark, and we don't see it usually with the naked eye, and then mesuka ku-new moon ithi waxing, right? So waxing ukuthi sezogcwala manje, iyagcwala igcwale up until the full moon. After a full moon kehla, lapho ku-full moon, angithi we are releasing. So whatever it is that sifuna ukuyishiya behind, izinto ezisindayo zishiya behind, izinto that no longer serve us, or things that we don't want to be associated with, or things that we are done with, It's also a perfect time yokubonga as well, because after love, in my theories, after love, I feel gratitude nayo is another high vibrating thing, Uzjwayeze ukuthi thank you. Sometimes we figure emsamo, you don't even know what to say. The simple thing is check what it is that you're grateful for, ngiyabonga, I have a roof over my head, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngivukile namhlanje, like just be grateful, and that changes vibration. So that is one ritual now that I do personally. Ngiyezwa ukuthi man umoya wami awuhlelanga kahle, and angisazi ukuthi ngenzeni, anginamagama, I don't even know what to ask. If I do gratitude, ngazi some sort of magic, some cosmic magic, kwenzeka. So full moon, basically uzobona kuyakhanya ngaphandle, you will see this ball of energy in the sky, and that is the time la recharge ama-crystals wethu. So this season, your blue crystals, your fire crystals, recharge. If uyinyanga usebenzisa ikhwama, you can recharge those under the full moon. But whatever tools that you're using for your healing purposes, because remember, it says suginyanga yabalapha or yokulapha. So whatever healing tools that you are using, whether lima bayao, you wanna put them under the full moon outside or by the window by the full moon, but make sure ukuthi kuyakhanya and you are recharger lawo ma-tools wakho enakhe.
Ngiyajabula ngokuthi nale full moon sekupheleni kahle kwamkela ekucaleni then ku-release le full moon. Shothi new moon kwamkela ngale ku-release ngoba ngibukani ubekusena ngemathulusi wena sihole ekupheleni kwenyanga uthi uyabonga ekupheleni kwenyanga nala mathulusi leni wasebenzisile kufuna athline ekupheleni kwenyanga ngala ku-release le full moon, just ku-release ngale kwamkela kuphela ngale ekucaleni.
Thokoza mkhulu, thokoza. Yebo, so full moon is a new beginning for you. So whatever it is othi uyayifuna, uzokhuluma ngayo or uzoyibhala or uzoplana ngayo ukuthi okay, what do I want in newness for myself now? Bese mekufika ku-full moon uyabonga whether usuyitholile leyo nto. Bengifuna kehla before sivala sikhulume also about our native tongues whenever we're speaking about izinto, when we're naming things. So kudla ngithi on the Gregorian calendar ngena ku the month of June, and then ngesizulu or ngesinguni, I don't know if it's all Nguni languages would cover this, but uJune unhlangula ngithi, and uhlangula ngithi to cleanse kahle right? Yebo. And then Kasesotho Pupu as well. And this is where Rafaela, whatever it is that no longer serves us. So when I think most uber conscious, about how you're living. Uyabona ukuthi man abokhokho actually had divine intelligence, because uyabona lezi zinto lezi zihlezi ziba in alignment, and at times when as umuntu omnyama natural uba aligned, uthola ukuthi wenza izinto you don't know why wenza izinto, but when you the nuances of this content that we're doing, the little nitty-gritties, why kwenzakala izinto ezikanje. So study le calendar lena, put it to test, because sometimes siyafika kuma-social media sikhuluma izinto. So mina nga-African calendar ngithi i-teste, like test it out and see ukuthi mesithi kune-energy kanje, does that thing happen now? Mesithi do the certain ritual or use these certain tools, do these things help you be in alignment? So Okoko had that divine intelligence, and with us, that's why I always say ukuthi it's very nice when akehla mesikhuluma ulwimi lwethu, because amalwimi aphilayo, amalwimi are close and related to nature, and that we know ukuthi that is God. Mesithi what is God, and that is fortunately something that we can prove, versus other forms of God. If abantu bafuna ukuthi prove ukuthi uGod ukhona naye nature iyakhuluma, thokoza mkhulu.
Le ngafuna sigcine ngayo ngifuna kuyiverify la usho kahle ngoba nginivile ngathi nesibo babe abalaphi lapha bomake kuphela, but ngijabula le gama lolisebenzisile ukuthi ma language ethu lenyanga le sithe masingena last week sathi yemlaphikazi, uyakhumbula? So ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi i-close ngakanani nalokuthi sithi bekulapha abomake, because ngeke sithi kubabe ngikazi asikwendi lokho unless sibongo sakhe. So ngifuna ukubona ukuthi simlaphikazi, because le diet le vele umuntu lemsikade ngini this month.
So Khehla lapho ne singilungise wena Khehla. So
no bengidlala
yeah ukuyilungise especially besikhuluma I forgot the Nguni word but the womb area.
Yeah.
So njalo mesikhuluma ngalokho, as much as sikhuluma about the divine feminine, but we have the spiritual womb too. So that is why nabantu babobabe bazo-affecteka. Uthola if umuntu wamanzi, whenever it's the full moon, mhlambe awulali, mhlambe you are very irritable, but because sonke, even if you don't have a womb, but you have that spiritual womb as well, so now abantu babobabe, if they can honor that balance of the feminine energy to them, bakwazi nabo ukuphumana nenyanga, right? So I'm not saying there's no healers zabobabe and it's just omami, but in ancient times, some scholars they prefer going to inyanga here. Your mama, because of that divine connection. But because now as umuntu wesilisa, you have that water in you. Now your body is made up of water. Angithi basho the science. The science people would see it is 70 to 80% of your body is made up of water. So yes, as much as you don't have that physical womb as umuntu wesilisa, but you have a spiritual womb, you have a sacral chakra, you have a point of creation, of manifestation now. So that is why also whenever we're speaking about things of sensual cleansing or sensual retention, include nabantu babobabe, because that sacral region is very, very important. When we're talking about sacral energy exchange, that also that region nabobabe banayo that sacral chakra, so it's not just abantu babo mama who need to be observing this period. It's just, I guess, we are the favorites in creation, some people get the period better with the new moon, but if you're a red moon witch, if you go on your period with the full moon, so usually those are your healers, you'll see as those kind of people. And then with the new moon, particularly white moon witch, maybe I should bama astrology, but the cycle was mommy. Sometimes it does change, but when it does change, because you have that sign, okay, what is it that you need to be focusing on? Whether it's the new moon, full moon, whether the moon is waxing, whether it's waning, but that is a message, So Tinage as abantu babo mami, we're very privileged we have those divine signs, even if you are able to go outside, but okay, when it's if I get my period and I'm a full moon person, then I know okay, I'm gonna go do those rituals.
Ngifuna sigcine la this talks akagcini la ngibonile khona la usevele ufuna kuzivalela ngaphandle nikhulume nemasuthu akini lapha so bakulandzela ngiyadlala nosivile so bakulandzela kanjani ku YouTube na ku social media?
Ngiyabonga kena sixolise bafokile abantwana bakucelela abantwana bantu ukuthi awubathunga sicela i-event so sikhona on YouTube. It's a Stoned Queer podcast. Please follow the content. Yes, now over 400 episodes. Nama playlist if you're looking for something specific, but there is a playlist regarding Ama full moon. We touched on different types of moons in different seasons. Stoned Queer podcast on YouTube, and then on social media it's one word, there's no spacing, it's Stoned Queer podcast, STONEDQUEERPODCAST. So ningasilandela lapho if you have questions, putting a certain type of healer, because yes, I have a network of different kinds of healers as well. But for our Basotho, Batswana, Bapedi speakers, ngiyabizwa nge-13th June sine-event izoba eCenturion ePretoria. Those who are able to join us in person, it's going to be 150 a ticket. Those who will be joining us online, it's 100 rand. Sifuna because yakhumbula Khehla sikhuluma ngithi on social media a lot, we are exposed to your Nguni ways of healing, you know. But Basotho are still hidden, and ngathi singareversa isikhathi man Khehla yazi yabona nalabantwana bethu abelungu sebayathwasa kwenziwa like it's chaos because we have exposed our sacred practices, kakhulu. So was some cool.
No, sitawubonana leli viki leli takusibongile futhi
Makhosi, bonga kakhulu. Happy manifesting and expanding.
Ah,
Makhosi.
sibonga.